guilty on both charges. After just a day of deliberation and less than a week in trial, a jury found Robby Narruhn guilty of burglary and third-degree criminal sexual conduct for breaking in and raping a woman in her home. Appearing before Judge Vernon Perez Thursday, attorneys made their closing arguments, starting with prosecution's Christine Tenorio. She notes the lack of evidence of Narruhn's claims against the victim, including consent, saying, quote, "There is no evidence that she let him inside her home or let him inside her house. There was no evidence that they had some type of prior relationship. She told you she had seen him maybe 3 more times before because he hangs out with her now deceased son. Even if there was evidence that she had seen him before, that doesn't necessarily mean because you've seen him before, you wanted to have sex that afternoon. When you're in this state, there's no evidence that she asked for this to happen to her." However, defense attorney Peter Santos casting doubt on the victim's memory and credibility, saying, "There are different reasons why memory can be fragmented, why you could have blacked out certain things. Some of it is because of being under the influence, and there could be a brain injury. It could be some sort of problem, genetic problem, neurological problem. There are all kinds of reasons to include trauma, which is what they want you to believe. That's the reason why there was fragmented memory or memory loss. In this case, not everything was remembered." As KUAM reported, it was on February 15th, Guam police officers were called to a residence in Harmon, where a woman tells police that she was sleeping in her room that afternoon when she suddenly woke up to Narruhn sexually assaulting her. She stated that he was holding a pair of scissors against her lower back as he was assaulting her. If convicted, Narruhn could be facing up to 20 years in prison. Sentencing is set for December 21st. Julian Hernandez, KUAM News.